What's up guys, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add your business or your shop logo to your invoices on your Shopify store. So if you haven't yet added your logo to your invoices or those order confirmation, let me show you the steps to do that. Once you're inside the Shopify dashboard, click on settings on the lower left hand side, and from here you want to go down to where it says notifications. Click on that. No, this is where you'll manage all of your notifications, and that includes invoices, emails that customers receive, and all of those good stuff, right? So here you can see even the sender email, which is email is going to be sent from, the customer notification, staff notification, fulfillment request notification, and you have some webhooks right here. Now, to set up that, which we discussed, is to go to the customer notification. Customer notification represent like invoices and all those other stuff, right? That they will receive. Now from here, you just want to go ahead and click on the customize email notification templates at the upper right. And this is going to take you to where it's going to show you what it looks like. For example, the order confirmation. You can see an example right here, and you see at the top here it says add image. This is the logo. You can even resize the logo. Now all you have to do is simply click on add image. It's going to open up here, and you can either upload something or generate something. As you can see, you can upload from your PC, or you can generate something as well with the power of AI right here. So what we're going to do, we're going to find something on my computer real quick and show you how to do it. Now, as you can see here, I'm in my Drew tutorial folder, and I'm going to simply open up and find something that we can use. So let's take this one as an example. I'm going to click on that, upload, and let's say this is the logo that I want to use. As you can see, it's uploaded. I'm going to click on done, and as you can see, it is added. You can change the size right here. You can always remove and change whatever you want. So if you want it larger, you can make it larger by changing the size, and you can even make it smaller. It's really up to you how you want to do it. Right, once you're finished, just simply go ahead and click on save, and that's going to save it. And you will scroll on and you will see how it actually looks there on the invoice. So you can play around with the sizing, and you will see once you save how it actually looks when it reloads. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to add your store logo to your invoices or your order confirmation on your Shopify store.